In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can clear Chrome history across all devices. Since Chrome syncs your browsing history across all logged-in devices, any sensitive or personal data stored on one device is accessible on others. By clearing your history across all devices, you ensure that your online activities remain private and that no traces are left behind, regardless of which device you use. On your Chrome browser, tap on this bookmark icon. You will then select onto this icon right here. Tap on Show Full History. You will see all your browsing data. To clear all, tap on Clear Browsing Data. All your data history will get cleared successfully. That's how easy it is to clear all your Chrome search history across all devices. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.